Hey everyone, welcome to the How to PC channel. In this video I'll show you how to download and play Plant Master TD Go on your PC or laptop. To play this mobile game on your PC, you also need to install an Android emulator. For example, I advise you to use LD Player, but you can install another one, for example BlueStacks. So to install an Android emulator, just open up a browser. Now type in the search box the emulator's name, for example LD Player in my case, and go to their official website. So of course, here you can easily download it. Just click on the download button, and now at the top right in your downloads history, you can find the LD Player 9 installer. Of course, run it, and after that, this emulator will be installed on your PC. Now just run it, double click on the icon, and you'll see this window. So a virtual phone on your PC. Now we can install the necessary game. Just go to Play Store. Now just sign in or sign up if you haven't an account and type in the search box Plant Master TD Go. Okay, and finally we can install it on our Android emulator. Click on the install button at the very top and wait until this game will be installed on your Android emulator. Finally, the installation process is complete and you can proceed to launch the game. To launch it, just click on the play button, or you can go to the desktop and click on Plant Master right here. So now I want to show you that the game works correctly. Let's select the guest mode and of course click on the start game button. And that's all. This is a short tutorial about this game. You can skip it. So very cool. Now we can start playing this game. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the How to PC channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.